the same. Hey guys, it's Carter Split here with SAR Waterfowl. We're out here this morning. This little slough we got back here. We're gonna see if we can get on us a couple wood ducks, maybe a couple mallards, some teal maybe. It's about 20 degrees outside. It's pretty cold. We got a little bit of water on the ice, but as you can see, water's moving pretty good, so it should be a pretty good hunt. All right, guys, we just got us a nice little wood duck on the board. We're gonna kill one. This is his first bird.
Hold him up, Rig. Rig. Boom. Drake.
Yeah. Okay. But hoping we can get a couple more. Let me get us a nice limit.
Oh shit, there they are. I just cussed on video. We got two just fly right over us.
Alright guys, we're gonna wrap the video up here. We ended the day off with a wood duck. So yeah, we'll see y'all on the next one.